Your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, very widely scattered storms in the area right now. The strongest storms are now moving through northeast Clinton County, just south of Forest. That cell right there may very well have some penny-sized hail mixed in it. That's just south of Forest and a gust perhaps 40 to 50 miles an hour, and that's going to pass just to the north, just barely north of Kempton, then move out of our viewing area here into Tipton County. A little cell over Crawfordsville, south of Alamo moving east-southeastward, and a few other small cells along the actual very weak cold front, or more of a wind shift line coming in from the northwest. You can see it right here. These little puffy clouds right here yielding a couple little thunderstorms there, and then you've got the bigger storm down here in Clinton County moving towards Tipton County. Also some rain here around the Grissom Air Reserve Base, and there's that cell we talked about around Crawfordsville and the other around Alamo. So at least some scattered storms around this evening. Be aware of the risk of an isolated severe storm with a hail and wind threat. Then watch for the areas of dense fog to develop later on tonight and early tomorrow morning, with lows in the low to mid 60s area wide. Of course, there's your marginal risk right up to 10 p.m. for an isolated wind or hail producer in our area. So if you're headed to a Friday Night Frenzy game, just be weather aware. I mean, some games will will just move on without a hitch. Others may be delayed a little bit due to nearby lightning or a thunderstorm around. But regardless, 80s at kickoff, we're talking 70s at game end. Upper 80s to low 90s tomorrow. The fog burns off, then sunshine in the afternoon. And even though it's going to be humid right up to about midday, I think that humidity really drops off in the afternoon. So more of a dry heat after 12 p.m. 91 the high in Greater Lafayette, 90 Flora. We'll get into the low 90s at Attica. Sunday, though, some periodic scattered showers and storms, though there will be breaks at times. 80 humid to muggy degrees for your high temperature, with 76 to 82 doing it for highs area wide. So here are a few of the very random scattered storms around through evening. This is through about 8, 9, 10 o'clock. Then everything kind of pulls away. This is 11. Everything gets out of here. There's your fog that develops. Burns off tomorrow morning. A hot but a nice afternoon for tomorrow. And then look at Sunday, though. We cloud up early Sunday morning, a few spotty showers already by 7:30. And here comes some showers and a couple thunderstorms at 10:30 in the morning. And then it continues right through noon. Then we get some breaks here and there in the afternoon, and perhaps a little bit more coming in from the west during the evening. And then after a break for part of Monday, more comes in Monday afternoon. Wouldn't completely rule out an isolated severe storm, and then it gets cooler behind that. And we'll be watching this. This could very well be a hurricane that makes a landfall, kind of trending towards the Florida area. But we got to watch this. It's still a little unclear on the exact track. So that will be the weather story next week. We may have a weak cold front that comes through here next Saturday. Cools us off, may bring a shower or two. Otherwise, after this rain we get, it's pretty dry for a little bit. And rainfall wise, we're looking at Sunday, Monday to early Tuesday morning, not counting whatever we get this evening. 3/4 to 2 inches area wide. The heaviest amounts of 2 to 4 inches with that tropical moisture down here in south central Illinois. But still some nice soaking rains for a chunk of the area, with 80 Sunday, 80 Monday, 75 Tuesday. Upper 70s Wednesday, Thursday, low 80s on Friday, a shower or two late Saturday, and then we're back to the 70s Sunday, Monday.